I got here a 75-inch TV set. And I got here a Sanus attachment. I got here a template. It says to go to sanus.com and enter the TV in. Q6D, 75-inch. Why on earth is it giving me the wrong TV set? It's the height adjustment app, and I am going to just go to 75-inch. Guess it's a QN75 Q900D. I'm just going to go with this one. I gotta go figure out which wall mount I got. Well, all right, look at the 4 bolts, go center. Centered. Now let's talk about how high to mount your TV. Measured in the middle. Here I go. Floor to top is 60.5. Floor to middle is 42. Floor to bottom is 23. Not the heights I want. I more or less marked out my wall where I want my TV. So now I'm going to have to go to the lines, go to the dots, up and down, down and up on the TV stand. And I think I should get my markings. That's the top of my TV, top blue line. I guess my template. There's a U. That's the magnet. Basically, you just slide forward, this clicks in, and locks into place. A washer and a spacer. Spacer's got like a triangle. There we go. Maybe. Oh, I read these instructions, trust me. And they're not the best instructions in the world. But let's see if this catches. There we go. Now I could crank down on this bad boy. Now my interest here is getting from here to here, and that's where I'm going to pop this bad boy up. Looks like 10.5 inches. I'll go 10.5 inches. And then from here, 15 inches. What did I say? 10.5 from the top. I'll say somewhere about there. And 15. baby, I'm off by a half an inch. Actually, I'm right on. Bingo, baby. That's how you do things. Put a level on it. The rest is history. Before I start to mark, drill, and everything, measure twice, cut once. I'm going to measure again. And I'm going to make sure I'm picture perfect. I'm going to be off just a little bit, but I'll get the job done. This blue line here is a beam, a stud. It just misses. I could go on an angle to catch it. Hopefully I can get a stud, not here, but 16 inches from this one. That'd be here. And then the next 16 inches, that'd be here. These houses were never made to hang TV sets. So you're going to have to modify this wall to your liking. I'm going to have to go get some metal bits, drill, and the rest is history. Again. Again, before I drill, I get 4 giant bolts. I get 4 anchors, and I drilled right on it. I don't know. I don't know if that hole's big enough. Oh man, this sucker's heavy. I left the instructions on in the back, just in case the customer wants to see how things are installed. I think that's pretty neat. Well, there it is. It's up there. It's on there. And this thing is supposed to do one of these. Tilt 3 degrees, tilt down, tilt up. I don't think so. We'll see what happens next. As easy as it looks for a modern house. Not when you have an old-fashioned house and the studs go all over the place. Job is well done. Enjoy the new wall mount.